my fellow Americans, hunters, enthusiasts, rifle owners, good old boys, and kitchen utensil owners. There's nothing more sad than a lame duck. Believe me, I know, I was one. The only thing sadder than a lame duck is a dull knife, because what can you do with it? It's worthless. Knock yourself upside the head. Won't even hurt. But if your knife is dull, your scissors won't sharp, then you need this. The Block Sharpener. That's right. The Block Sharpener will sharpen your blade, your scissors, your serrated knives, even your pocket knife. I got my pocket knife right here. And this thing is just zim zam. It's good. You just, you got to be careful though. If you're not sure how to use it, then go to Block Sharpener. Well, go there anyway, blocksharpener.net. There's lots of videos on how to use the new and improved Block Sharpener. So don't be a lame duck, amigo. Get yourself a Block Sharpener. Hey, I did. Block Sharpener for a sharp knife.
Pretty much every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're cooking, hunting, fishing, or working. Therefore, pretty much every adult could use the Block Knife Sharpener, the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. Made in Prudentville, Michigan, these sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The Block Knife Sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the Block Knife Sharpener. See demonstrations or order online, blocksharpener.net. Lifetime guarantee and free shipping within 24 hours.